Welcome back to Pretty Prairie Apiary, guys, and in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing this 10-frame hive from Newcastle. This is the 2-layer beehive. So, one brood box and one super, I believe. So, let's get into it. Okay, so open it up. Okay. So we got user manual here, don't need that. And then we got the super foundation, plastic wax coated foundation. And then these are pieces for the super frames. This over here. And then more brood box frames, I believe. Yeah, brood box. And then we got, oh, it smells really good. Then got some little frame pieces. Oh, that smells amazing. And then we got our nails here, and then our screws. And then more foundation. Entrance reducer, solid bottom board here. Put this down for a second. And then the box pieces. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so now we will be building the frames. Open it up. Maybe. Or not. That works too. There we go. Organized. Okay. There's bottom pieces. Maybe I'll have better look now. There we go. Ah, I'm gonna get a splinter. I did get a splinter. Okay. Whoa. Okay. And there's the top pieces. The top bar, not a top bar, top bar. And then, yeah, there's a few super. There's deep. Okay, I'll build one, and then I'll do a time lapse of me building the rest, because this is gonna take a long time. Okay, so now, I thought I was done, but then I forgot about the super frames. It's not really hard, it's just time consuming, so if you have some music playing or if you like just listening to nothing, then this is great for you. So I'm gonna try a different strategy. I'm gonna try to just lay them all out and then put them all on at the same time. I'll see if that helps. It might make it worse, but I don't know. But this is basically the last step, so let's just get it done. Okay, I'm gonna do this. You enjoy watching me do it for like 10 seconds when it's really like an hour, so see ya. I'm gonna try putting on the foundation before putting them in because it might save time, we'll see. But, and also that's what they said to do, not that I looked at the instructions or anything, but and then if you just like, I don't know if you can see this, but just like that. Oh, didn't even go in. Maybe this saves time, maybe it doesn't. There we go, like that. Okay, that works. Okay, so let's put this back into time lapse. Okay, so all of the frames are done. Let's see here. There's all the super frames. Also, BCast was very generous with their nails. They gave, these are all extra nails. Or, I think they're extra. Oopsies. Either way. And then, so we can put these frames in here. Beautiful wood in these boxes. Great job. There's all of those. Perfect. And then food frames. Right there. And pop out. Okay. And then I think there's supposed to be one more. Oh, there it is. Yep. Okay. Put this all together as a full hive now. So here's the bottom board, entrance, reducer, that's my big out there. Bottom, the I like the wax dipped too. That makes it a lot easier because I'm pretty sure that it can last like 10 years or something crazy. It might be like 5, I don't know. But still, compared to cleaning your hive every year, definitely recommend getting it wax dipped. Final piece. There it is. Thank you guys for watching, and a huge thanks to Castle for sending this out for me to review and add to my pretty apiary that's on a prairie, hence the name. And I will see you all in the next video.